Bor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, Kamashin Kabala Snakerpang Kabakhamskem, Kamsted, Kamklan, Batbaduna Bam Umpnia.
Menteri Sarkar hakani gejala ubadai uwe ni ginong elam bahakmat kaseng NPP hakani gejala Markus Marang ulaong bagi NPP kalada ban khot application nakabenta ke tiket nakabenta gitu gibakwa banyak khunya ke election MDC Hagaru Hills Autonomous District Council ulaong bagi jingkhot application kelas dang nadu ke khat santri urisau batkan kud hadu khat sau tarik unai wiang bat hadu menta kiladan bungut kibala tab application nai constituency beper ba ulaong baka NPP kan je jigi kartong kibidan Jingkyrmen ban job batkan om dapet than tang yigi nong tre basanya ak parti lada kim dan Jingkyrmen ban job.
For us, for all the MLAs, not only for me, we have to be with people all the time there on the ground. Every day is very important for us. Not necessarily that election is tomorrow. That is the reason why we have to be on the ground. So we are 24 hours with people, 24/7 with people. So therefore, it is almost ever ready for facing any elections. For MLA elections, there are 2.5 years more. So 2.5 years for politics is quite a long period of time. So therefore, let's wait and see. Let the time comes and then we'll be able to know. GHDC elections from NPP party, we have already given a notification, to the intending candidates to apply for the party sponsorship. We have already given the notification on 9th October. So the date and final date of the receiving date will be on 14th of November, from 15th October to 14th of November. So we started receiving the applications seeking party sponsorship from different candidates. So we bring this to all the districts. So concerned district presidents and secretaries are issuing all these application forms to candidates, intending candidates. I don't know what Mr. Vincent Palla has said, but you just see the kind of applications that we will be receiving from all the intending candidates. So our criteria will be winnability. So therefore, it will depend on the grassroots. Party leaders, party workers are there, party officers are there. So we will, seek clarification from party grassroots leaders. Like primary leaders are there, block committee leaders are there, district committees are there. So we will be hearing them. Once we receive the applications from each constituency, we will be, sorting out how many candidates are applied for each constituency. Based on that, we will do the research and we will examine who will be fittest candidate for NPP. Basically, we have a committee, so I don't have any authority to say this issue now. But it will be, based on the party recommendations from the grassroots level. So it will depend on his or her, activities on the ground. So based on that, we will decide. Right from the beginning, NPP's condition is that winnability is the criteria. It has been the criteria in last MLA election also. It is not the fact that one who is loyal to the party. Loyal is also counted, but number one, our criteria is winnability. So therefore, this election also, winnability is the criteria for NPP. We will have to find out, as I have already mentioned, winnability. If women candidates are winnable, definitely we will try to look into this issue. I'm awaiting the report because I just had the meeting with my regional committee members there in Jura day before yesterday, and I have directed them that to have a review meeting every weekend. So after that, we'll be able to know how many. So issuing the forms to all the intending candidates. Definitely, there are good number of candidates coming up for NPP party. It's a contribution towards the party offices for party expenses. That is the reason why it has been decentralized. So all the district headquarters are given the responsibility of issuing the party intending forms and all. So the fees that will be given to the districts will be the money which will be used in the district offices as well.
Pen rius pa ya kaktin la jong pen dan kam ya kabakan kiu kaktin kasi kaktin la jong ai kan roi kan pa buon kia kren halor ka environment ka saudong sauput saukun ya ka badai ban penne pensa ya ka Jingkyrmen ha ka kentin kasi niyo ya ka marian na kamarian niyo sa ka Meirilung, Meirisan, Meirilang, Meiramo. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapen mi da ka pati CTV na ka benta ka Jingmentoi upat ba.